In the quest for health and wellness, the ketogenic diet stands out, promising to transform the way our bodies use energy. However, a common concern is whether following such a diet is affordable. Today, we unravel this mystery by exploring how you can embark on a keto journey without breaking the bank, armed with savvy tips for budget-friendly meal planning. First, at the heart of any affordable keto meal plan lies careful planning. Creating a weekly menu not only helps you stick to your dietary goals, but also ensures that you purchase only what you need, reducing waste and unnecessary expenses. Begin by identifying keto-friendly staples that can be bought in bulk. Eggs, one of the most versatile ingredients, are economical and can be transformed into various dishes, from omelets to quiches. Similarly, by purchasing meat cuts like chicken thighs or ground beef in larger quantities, you can save considerably compared to more expensive cuts. Our adventure doesn't stop at the grocery stores. It takes a detour through the aisles of your local farmers' markets, where you can find fresh vegetables like spinach, zucchini, and cabbage at a fraction of the cost associated with buying from major supermarkets. These vegetables are not only low in carbohydrates, but can also be the foundation of any scrumptious keto meal, offering fiber, nutrients, and variety to your diet. The world of healthy fats is also one you need to navigate wisely. While nuts and avocados are often pricier, consider incorporating more affordable oil sources such as olive oil or coconut oil into your cooking. Adding these to your dishes can enhance flavor and nutrition without overstretching your budget. Now, let's discuss meal preparation, a cornerstone of a cost-effective keto lifestyle. Cooking in bulk allows you to use fewer ingredients and relieves the pressure of daily cooking. Dishes like hearty keto stews or casseroles, which use affordable ingredients simmered to perfection, are not only budget-conscious, but also save time during busy weeks. Dive into hunting for deals, using coupons, and exploring online grocery delivery services that offer discounts on first purchases or bulk orders. These subtle tactics can significantly impact your overall expense. In conclusion, embracing keto on a budget is not an insurmountable challenge, but rather an opportunity to explore new flavors, sharpen your culinary creativity, and achieve your health goals economically. With mindful planning, smart purchasing, and a little bit of creativity, you can feast on delicious keto-friendly meals while your savings thrive. Now is the time to balance eating well with spending wisely, proving that a healthy lifestyle is accessible to everyone.